Here we're working on our mid-back and trying to avoid rotating the hips. We want to set up facing our bench in a beast pose or quadruped. We've got knee in front of hip, straight line from shoulder to hip, and the wrist and elbows are nicely stacked. From here, the aim of the game is to peel the elbow away, drawing a nice wide circle as we reach our top position. Again, nothing has changed. Straight line from shoulder to hip, knee still in front of the hip, and we haven't shifted. If we look at the chest is in a nice open position. We've tried to stack our elbows at the top, and again ensuring those hips haven't twisted at all. Try multiple reps and take your time. A big breath at the top will really make a difference. So Becca's working on our T-spine rotation. This is her first time trying this exercise. The concept is we're trying to again dissociate rotation in the upper body from the lower body. So Becca's done a great job there. Her cues are to try and get her elbow, her top elbow there to point up to the sky, and her head and her eyes are rotating round. We're just watching the hips to make sure she doesn't move there. Really good job.